already having a blast because there's all kinds of fun stuff in the trail.
Straight. Go straight now. Towards me. Alright, you're good. Got a little rock. Hold back. There's a big rock over there. Okay, you're gonna come up on a rock on your... It's going over!
Nice to be able to make that.
Brian's like, I'm just gonna drive up the entire side.
Oh
my goodness.
no.
Leave it to a Toyota to get stuck.
Right.
Straighten out, go straight.
Put a rock over there, no? One of those.
What is he stuck on? Is he just in the dirt?
Go.
There we go.
Oh, wait. There's a big one.
Yeah, bucket sand it. Pretty good.
The difficult one might be the Land Rover.
Really?
Yeah, you're spinning that.
There you go.
I had a lot.
He could have been drinking tea while he was doing that.
Perfect.
No,
You got it. You're clear.
Straighten it up. Keep it straight.
You got it. Keep it straight. You got it. There you go.
Smooth. Oh, look. Let's go. Yes, there you go. Straight. Straighten the wheels a little bit right there.
Yeah, you got it. Okay. There you go.
That dog is
Straight.
You got it.
I think I should lower the tire pressure like another 2 or 3 pounds.
That's my idea with the footage was here, like all the cars parked together. You know what I'm saying?
Brian wants to do some donuts around you while you stand in the middle of them. Don't stand in the fresh stuff. Straight. Straighten your wheels. Engage the locker.
We're going to spend the next 4 hours with it buried up to the frame. We have no way to get him out.
Yeah, we do.
How?
Vehicles.
How many ropes? I have.
As long as he doesn't stop.
It's really bad right here. We were playing with fire.
Ai, a gente atolou. E ele atolou também. A gente foi seguir a ideia daquele cabeça oca. Aí tá tentando resgatar a gente. A gente tá com um time aqui. Então ficou lá atrás. Que ideia de jirico.
Well, we were in a pretty spot.
How come your wife didn't warn us not to go?
Oh, the drone is here. Hey! agora é vir de ré, que a gente tava tudo lá, né? So that idea didn't work out. The truck got stuck. A academia dele hoje é isso aí, ó. E pra ajudar começou a chover, ó. Tentativa dele, não deu certo. Agora é o plano E, F, nem sei. Jericho's idea. Comendo um lanchinho. Olha a situação da sujeira. What soundtrack should we use?
Mission Impossible? No, we tried this already.
Not from that angle. Not to the truck. It's gonna use the... But now there's too much tension on the cable here on the lunge. I don't know if you can disconnect. Can he? Go save him, baby.
Go!
Vai lá salvar o dia. Misericórdia. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Doing it?
If you pop out of that hole, just keep the accelerator going and stay behind Brian.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, he's pulling forward now. And start rolling forward if you can. Start slowly turning your wheels.
We got it! Woo! Real.
Good job.
Look at this. Holy fuck. One more to go.
Nice driving.
Yeah, oh yes! See? Listen to me next time, alright?
At the rate I go. Dude, that was fun though. That was a lot of fun. I was gonna go hunting.
I'm scared. I made it through, but I recommend max speed on your way through. I think I lost the trail.